whenever you're in your calendar or whenever you're in the property listing or transaction now, you will see that any activity that is linked to a property listing or transaction or project will now have its link there as well. So basically, if you're on your main calendar, you pull up some activity details on a particular activity. It'll list who's supposed to do it. Maybe it'll also list the contact or contacts that are associated with that activity. It may also list the property and listing link information that it goes to, in which case you can just click on that now and it will take you to that property so you can see the details of that if you want. Likewise, if you're editing an activity, we now have the ability for you to manually select a property, listing, transaction, or project as part of this. So if this activity wasn't there, I'm just going to disconnect it right now. It'll say select property, listing, or transaction. Click on that. I can select my property. Because my property also has listings and transactions connected, I can choose, do I want to do just the property only, or do I want to tie this to a particular listing as well? So maybe I want to do the listing as well. So now this activity not only can be connected to a person. We do walk step. Let me also add Kathy on here just so you guys can see this as well. So an activity can be assigned to people. An activity can be assigned to physical locations, properties that also have listings and transactions. Whenever I do that, I think I moved it somewhere in time. Oh, I did it on the other. Chose the wrong listing, I think, maybe. Let me go to this one. Did I do that? Yeah, there it is. So so what it's doing now, whenever I'm showing that activity, it's showing, hey, these are the two people that are connected. And if I want to go to that person, I can just click on that person and it will bring me up the details so I can have instant access to any of the people that's tied to. But if I want to go to the property, I can do that as well. So if I go to February 13th on my calendar, you would see all the people, the property, transaction, listing information accessible right away.